What if trucks weren't just powerful machines, but rolling luxury suites? From futuristic electric giants and self-driving haulers to custom-built show legends and off-road homes with saunas, these are the most comfortable trucks you haven't seen before, and they're about to completely change how you see life on the road. Windrose electric truck is redefining long-haul comfort with a bold, futuristic design built entirely around the driver. The center seat layout, inspired by Formula One, delivers perfect balance and visibility, while 3 wide digital screens create a stunning 220-degree panoramic view. Smart camera mirrors eliminate blind spots and reduce drag for better efficiency. With a 670-kilometer range and ultra-fast charging that restores 60% battery in just 38 minutes using megawatt-level power, it's built for serious work. Inside, the sleeper cabin feels premium with natural wood and leather finishes. Producing 1,040 kilowatts and equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, this 37-ton powerhouse blends strength, technology, and luxury like never before. Aurora Innovation Autonomous Truck is proving that the future of freight may not need a driver at all. This fully operational vehicle is already running on U.S. highways, hauling commercial loads across Texas with its SAE Level 4 self-driving system and no one behind the wheel. Its advanced LiDAR can detect obstacles up to 450 meters away and spot pedestrians 11 seconds faster than a human in total darkness. With no fatigue and no driving hour limits, it completes the Dallas to Houston route nonstop. Backed by a $354 million sensor investment from Continental AG and powered by NVIDIA Drive Thor chips, large-scale production is planned for 2027. Designed for a 1.6 million kilometer service life, this truck isn't experimental. It's already transforming the road. Mack Pioneer represents one of the biggest investments in the history of Mack trucks, with over $2 billion poured into a clean sheet design focused on power, efficiency, and real driver comfort. Fuel economy improves by 11% over the Anthem, thanks to a refined aerodynamic profile, while the single-piece windshield without a central pillar reduces noise and boosts visibility. Inside, the cab stands 250 centimeters tall and is 13 centimeters wider, giving drivers true freedom to move. Under the hood, the MP13 engine delivers up to 515 horsepower and 2,645 Newton-meters of torque, built for serious hauling. An electric version is expected in 2026 with a projected 500-kilometer range, proving performance and comfort can evolve together. Morelo Grand Empire is the pinnacle of mobile luxury, a 12-meter mansion on wheels built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, with engine options delivering up to 530 horsepower. With the push of a button, an electric slide-out expands the living area by 45 centimeters, revealing a professional-grade kitchen with induction cooktop, dishwasher, oven, and a 172-liter refrigerator. The bathroom features a rain shower and heated floors, while the Evopo mattress with a gel layer ensures orthopedic comfort. Built for extreme conditions down to -36 degrees Celsius, the 12-speaker audio system spans 2 independent zones. The rear garage fits a Porsche 911 or smart car, and 1,680-watt solar panels with a powerful generator allow complete off-grid living. Prices range from $700,000 to $1 million, combining engineering and 5-star comfort on wheels. Becker JetVan Sprinter is the ultimate compact luxury transport, built to deliver private, first-class travel for 4 passengers. Designed by California-based Becker Automotive Design, it features 4 leather captain seats with massage, heating, and active ventilation for unmatched comfort. A 44-inch 4K display pairs with a 1,300-watt audio system, while a military-grade dual-SIM router ensures uninterrupted internet. Onboard conveniences include an espresso machine, beverage fridge, power-operated curtains, and fully automated controls via a central system. With conversion costs between $250,000 and $450,000 and build times of 6 to 12 months, the JetVan Sprinter combines style, productivity, and luxury in a sleek, mobile package. Prime Limo is a compact luxury office on wheels, built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis to make business travel feel like a private jet. Crafted by California-based Becker Automotive Design, which has been designing mobile offices for over 25 years for clients like Jerry Seinfeld, Will Smith, and Fortune 500 executives, it features 4 captain seats with massage, heating, and active ventilation. A 44-inch 4K display pairs with a 1,300-watt audio system, while a military-grade dual SIM router ensures uninterrupted internet. Onboard comforts include an espresso machine, beverage fridge, and power-operated curtains, all managed through a central automation system. Conversion costs range from $250,000 to $450,000, with a build time of 6 to 12 months, delivering ultimate style, convenience, and luxury on the move. John Garland's Kenworth W900L is the ultimate home on wheels for long-haul professionals who spend months on the road. Powered by a 525 horsepower Cummins X15 engine paired with an 18-speed manual transmission, it delivers exceptional hauling performance. Inside, it's a fully equipped apartment with a shower, toilet, water heater, and a 265-liter water tank. The kitchen features an induction cooktop, microwave, and 207-liter refrigerator, while the sofa converts into a double bed for guests. Satellite TV works even on the move, and the soundbar makes movie nights feel like home. With a 1,135-liter fuel tank, John Garland's Kenworth W900L combines luxury, practicality, and long-haul reliability in one powerhouse. Auvinen's Lowrider is a masterpiece of European truck customization, where art meets power on wheels. Finnish builder Mika Albano invested 6,000 hours and $530,000 in materials to transform a Mercedes-Benz Actros 2663 into a rolling work of art, powered by a 625 horsepower V8. The exterior dazzles in purple candy paint with airbrushed Chicano art featuring Danny Trejo and Jessica Alba portraits. Inside, white Italian leather and purple velvet accented with gold details, plus a corner sofa, turn the cab into a luxurious lounge. The hydraulic suspension can drop the truck to passenger car height, but beneath the showmanship, it's a serious hauler, delivering Bulltech clothes 24/7 to a cement plant. With 7 international awards, including Best in Show, this truck commands attention everywhere it rolls. Bubba Branch's 1996 Kenworth W900 is proof that real comfort and character are built, not bought. In a Florida garage, Bubba Branch and his entire family transformed this classic rig into a show-stopping masterpiece. Powered by the legendary Cappy 3406E engine, it delivers raw strength with old-school soul. Inside, it's pure craftsmanship. Quilted velvet headliner, leather-wrapped door panels, custom flooring by his wife Crystal, and a ceiling-mounted Bluetooth audio system installed by his son Preston. With chrome arches and 13 headlights shining front and rear on a 55-ton Globe Lowboy chassis, this truck dominates the road. No surprise it won Best Chrome and Best Engine at the 2022 Super Rigs, a true family-built legend. Yutong U15 is a 15-meter electric bus that brings comfort, accessibility, and efficiency to urban transport like never before. Its 662 kilowatt-hour battery delivers an impressive 850 kilometers of range under the sortie cycle, carrying up to 100 passengers with 57 seats equipped with USB ports for convenience. The fully low entry floor and 920mm aisle provide barrier-free access for wheelchairs, while the driver enjoys an air-suspended seat with massage and ventilation. Inside, ambient lighting, an aircraft-style ceiling with individual air vents and LED headlights create a modern, comfortable environment. Rated for 50,000 hours of operation with 97.4% motor efficiency and a battery 12% lighter yet fully capable, the Yutong U15 proves that urban transit can be both luxurious and eco-friendly. Dream Sleeper Bus operated by Kanto Bus transforms the 500-kilometer journey between Tokyo and Osaka into a moving luxury lounge. Instead of squeezing in 40 passengers, it offers just 11 fully private cabins designed for total relaxation. Each seat reclines to a 156-degree, near-zero gravity position, reducing pressure on the spine for restful sleep. Inside every cabin, you get adjustable warm and cool lighting, a fold-down table, power outlets, USB ports, and Wi-Fi. There's even a restroom with a bidet and heated seat, plus a separate powder room with LED mirrors. With noise-canceling headphones, sleepwear, slippers, and lavender aromatherapy included, you board in Shinjuku at 11 p.m. and wake up refreshed in Osaka by morning, feeling like you visited a spa on wheels. KAMAG PrecisionTractor is a German-built terminal tractor engineered for efficiency and precision in high-demand logistics operations across Europe. Perfect for major hubs like IKEA and Einhell, it features a hydrostatic transmission that delivers smooth, jolt-free acceleration up to 40 km per hour while virtually eliminating clutch wear. Rated to tow 20 tons, its fifth wheel raises and lowers in seconds with a hydraulic system, giving a tight 6.9 meters, turning radius ideal for narrow warehouse aisles. The air-suspended cab isolates vibrations, and the heated driver's seat ensures comfort on long or overnight shifts. A low-mounted instrument panel provides a full panoramic view of the trailer, making the KAMAG PrecisionTractor a reliable, precise, and driver-focused workhorse for modern logistics.